We want to help you understand the right visa type, prepare your resume, apply online, and seek professional assistance. Also, we're going to explore what it's like to live and work in England. We'll discuss the cost of living, cultural adjustments, work-life balance, transportation, and everything else you need to know to make England a captivating place to call home. Remember, when you're ready to take that leap, SDC International Shipping is here to ensure your move is smooth and stress-free. From packing and shipping to custom clearance and delivery, SDC's expert team will provide invaluable insight into popular destination, housing options, and your local amenities. Navigating the application process for working in England requires careful planning and the understanding of visa requirements. Here's your step-by-step guide to successful, secure employment. First, you have to understand the right visa type. Based on your employment situation, you need to determine the appropriate visa type. Options include skilled worker visa, intra-company transfer visa, graduate route visa, and youth mobility scheme.